一直以嚟好鍾意分享嘅我呢，都想揾個開始點咧，開第一個 post。今日呢，終於發生咗呢件事啦。早前我用咗自己幾年前寫嘅國語歌嘅歌詞，用 AI 幫我翻譯咗做英文，同埋叫佢加個韻腳。之後呢，我又將呢一份英文嘅歌詞呢，再掉咗去俾做音樂嘅 AI。之後大概都冇1分鐘呢，就出咗嚟啦。不如大家聽下，記得睇到最後。
In the gray sky, the cold winds blow, with barren branches beneath the night's glow. The bright moon lights up the sea's embrace. Reflections confuse in this lonely space. Time moves on and memories fade. Words can capture the past we've made. Your farewell, I don't want to know today. I just gaze at your face as you turn away. You walk with shadows, lights fragile seams. Oh, how I wish someone else could share your dreams. But fate has decided I'm not in your way. Behind the story, who really knows? Call too childish, impulsive in woes. This letter concludes with a gun's final call. Who sheds tears for his leaving after all? To leave this place isn't cowardly flight. He faces himself with courage and might. Your farewell, I don't want to know today. I've already said all I need to say. You carry my heart as you walk through the night. Life will leave us with some bittersweet blend. Facing our wounds takes bravery's light. In the end, break through this moral despair. Let go that I'll hold my pen and stay aware.
唔知大家覺得首歌點呢？咁你可能會話對你有咩用啊？如果你係玩開音樂嘅話，其實係可以幫到你做個 demo， 做個參考，可以揾下靈感，或者你自己有嘢想表達嘅，都可以整到首歌。其實我自己都想整下廣東歌嘅，但係呢，暫時以我所知依家嘅技術啦，就算佢幫你創作到廣東歌呢，都可能會啲音比較奇怪。想知道我用緊啲乜嘢去整嘅，不妨留言或者 PM 我啊。有關 marketing 嘅嘢我都會答到嘅，都盡量答嘅。有咩合作，歡迎都揾我傾下。